Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing creative tree branch decor ideas. Simple, natural, and absolutely beautiful DIY decor projects that can instantly transform any space. If you love nature-inspired home decor, rustic designs, or budget-friendly DIY projects, you're going to love this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more creative ideas. Tree branches are one of the most underrated decor materials. They are free, eco-friendly, and add a warm, organic feel to your home. Whether you live in an apartment or a countryside home, natural branch decor can make your space feel unique, elegant, and relaxing. Today I'll show you easy DIY decor ideas you can do with simple branches. No professional tools needed. One of the easiest and most beautiful ways to use branches is to create wall art. You can have a checkmark arrange thin branches into geometric shapes. Have a checkmark make a nature-inspired frame. Have a checkmark or design a minimalist branch collage. Tip: keep the branches dry and sand them lightly to remove rough spots. A bit of clear varnish can make the natural wood tones pop beautifully. Want something functional and decorative? Create hanging branch shelves. Simply select a sturdy, straight branch, attach rope or leather straps, mount a wooden board on the branch, hang it on the wall, perfect for plants, candles, books, or little decor pieces. This gives any room a warm, rustic, boho-inspired look. Next up, branch candle holders. You only need thick branches, a drill, and tea light candles. Cut your branch into small pieces, drill a hole in the top, and place your candle inside. This creates a cozy, nature-style centerpiece perfect for the living room, bedroom, or dining table. Want something truly eye-catching? Use a thick, straight tree branch as a curtain rod. It instantly adds personality and gives your room a natural, earthy touch. Wood is a timeless material. But just like any interior design feature, it's been subject to various trends over the years, from painting to staining. However, if you're a fan of natural wood finishes, you're in luck. Natural wood finishes, by which we mean wood that isn't painted, stained, or engineered, are back in. That's all the permission you need to fill your home with wood furniture finds. From the rustic to the modern, the reclaimed to the upcycled. Natural wood finishes can work wonders in any home. So, whether you're keen to add character to a new build or you're on the hunt for furniture that will complement your period property's original features, look no further. Wood furniture will come to the rescue. Almost any type of wood could be used to build furniture, but some woods have always been favored for their beauty, durability, and workability. Before 1900, most furniture was made with these woods: walnut, oak, mahogany, rosewood, fruitwoods, and rare wood veneers and inlays were in common use. American colonial furniture, dependent on local availability, was made with maple, oak, walnut, birch, and cherry, as well as pine. The preferred furniture woods were readily available, so less attractive or durable woods were used only for hidden parts inside a piece. For this reason, pre-1900 furniture is almost always worth restoring. as these preferred woods have become scarcer and more expensive. Furniture has been made with more abundant woods. The traditional favorites have become rare. Today, most furniture is made with ash, pine, gum, and poplar, pine, fir, and other inexpensive woods are used for hidden parts. The rare woods are used only for very good furniture, and they are often used in combination with the less expensive woods. Being able to identify the type of wood used for your furniture can help you determine its real value. Wood furniture has its advantages and disadvantages. Timeless beauty. Wooden furniture has a timeless appeal that will never go out of style. Whatever may be the type of wood, each carries a special beauty in its own way. Its natural grains and warm tones provide a beautiful touch to any place. At Bosky Furniture, we handpick premium wood to ensure each piece of furniture exudes elegance and adds a touch of sophistication to your home interior. Long-lasting, durable. This is the biggest benefit of owning wooden furniture. A furniture piece made of quality wood is highly durable. Teak wood furniture in Kolkata is the most popular choice among homeowners in terms of durability. It can withstand everyday usage and wear if it is built with premium quality and excellent materials. Bosky Furniture's commitment to using superior wood guarantees that your investment lasts for decades, becoming a treasured heritage. Sustainable wood stands out as an exceptional sustainable choice, especially when sourced carefully. It is a renewable natural resource that is good for the environment. Do you know that trees, the source of wood, biodegrade naturally? Moreover, they serve an important role in absorbing damaging carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Any furniture made of wood has a lower environmental impact than other materials. That's why trees are called the best gifts of nature to humans. Wide range of options, from beds to dining tables, chairs, and cabinets. Hardwood furniture provides a wide range of options for furnishing every room in your home. You can easily find various designs and colors and even customize the furniture as per your choice. So, if you have decided to buy furniture for your home, simply explore the vast online catalog of Bosky Furniture to find the perfect piece for your home decor.